Hi, you're not going to find an easier or tastier chicken stroganoff recipe than this one. All the ingredients are just placed in a dish and baked in the oven. It couldn't be easier. So let me show you how it's done. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius and grease a 23 centimetre baking dish. Scatter 1 chopped onion and 200 grams of chopped mushrooms in the bottom of the prepared dish. Whisk together 1 packet of creamy mushroom soup mix, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 cup of water in a large jug until well combined, then pour over the onions and mushrooms. Rub a small amount of oil on the chicken skin, then season with plenty of salt and pepper. Place on top of the onion and mushrooms. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the skin is golden. So here it looks straight from the oven, and the next step is just to pop the chicken on top of some noodles like so, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add half a cup of sour cream to the mushrooms and onions and just give that a stir through. It smells absolutely delicious. And now we're just going to spoon the sauce over the chicken and the noodles. Just a little sprinkling of parsley. And there you have it, baked chicken stroganoff. I hope this becomes a really firm favourite in your household.